Okay, so if you're up for something easy for dinner, this is a good one. I lined a pan with parchment paper, or you can also use aluminum foil, add some sliced onions for extra flavor, and place the chicken right on top. I seasoned the meat side first with olive oil, lemon pepper, granulated garlic, granulated onion, and then smoked paprika. I've also used liquid seasoning, but you can also use soy sauce for this. Then I flip them over and season again. And then I drizzle more of that olive oil, cracked black pepper, and finish off with that liquid seasoning. And that's it. Roast it for 420 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour, and you've got an easy, cozy Friday dinner.